In this video, we're going to be looking at the rosbag tool. One of the most powerful parts of the decoupling nature of ROS topics is that we can easily record data that produces interesting behavior and play it back, and the node doesn't need to know the difference between real data and recorded data. The tool we use for data recording and playback in ROS is called rosbag. It works with files called bag files that contain information on the topics being recorded and every message sent on that topic. When we ask rosbag to play data back, it will match all of the timing of the messages sent when it was recording. Let's walk through a simple exercise where we record and play back some data using rosbag. To get started, let's open up a terminal. In this first tab, I'm going to run the TurtleSim node. In a new tab, I'm going to run the TurtleSim keyboard teleop node. And finally, in a third tab, we'll actually use rosbag. So here we're going to run the command rosbag record, and then the name of the topic we want to record. In this case, let's record turtle1/commandvel. This will record all of the motion commands that our keyboard teleop node sends to our TurtleSim node. Once we press enter, the recording will start. We can go over to our teleop node terminal and we can draw some kind of a shape with our turtle. Once you're happy with your shape, go back and press Ctrl+C to stop the recording and kill the rosbag command. The rosbag record command has now created a bag file in the current directory named with the current date and time. That bag file contains all of the messages we just sent to our turtle to draw the shape we drew. Now let's use rosbag's playback capabilities to replicate that shape. So back in our second tab, we'll press Ctrl+C to kill our keyboard control node, and in the first tab, we'll press Ctrl+C to shut down TurtleSim, and then relaunch it so that we get a fresh canvas. Now back in our rosbag tab, let's run the command rosbag play, and then the name of the file that it told you it recorded to. When we start this command, rosbag will advertise the turtle1/commandvel topic and send all the same messages that we sent with the keyboard control node. So when you press enter, we should see our turtle moving around. And when all the messages have been sent, rosbag play will finish. Now you might have noticed that this turtle didn't make quite the same shape as the original turtle. It's missed the first command message that came from our rosbag. ROS topic connections take time to set up, so we need to tell rosbag to wait just a little bit longer before it starts publishing our messages. To do this, let's first close and restart TurtleSim to get a fresh canvas. And then we're going to rerun the rosbag play command, but we're going to give it the -d flag with the value 0.5. The -d flag specifies the amount of time that rosbag play should wait between advertising a topic and starting to publish messages on that topic. The value we give it is in seconds and defaults to 0.2 seconds. On my machine, just bumping this up to 0.5 is enough time so that the turtle will actually see the first message. And with that flag set, my turtle has now replicated the exact same shape that I drew with the keyboard controls. Sometimes your bag files are long, and getting the exact first message doesn't quite matter as much. But in situations where it does matter, remember that that delay flag can help. There are other flags that you can give both to the record and play subcommands for controlling their actions more specifically. Most of the flags on the record subcommand have to do with controlling which topics are included in the recording. Bag files can include more than one topic, and you can specify regular expressions that will include and exclude certain topics from the list that gets recorded by rosbag. The flags on the play subcommand mostly have to do with controlling the timing of messages being published. You can even start up a bag file in paused mode and step through each message one at a time with a manual key press. That's it for this video. We've taken a look at the basics of rosbag and even used it to record input commands for our TurtleSim node in such a way that we can repeat them whenever we want.